United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo. Hello, Carl, over.
United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo. Hello, Sergey. Nice to meet you again. How are things going? You're 59 today, QSA.
Okay, Carl, Roger, you also beautiful signal 5x7, Peking 5x9, some little Queen Sugar back. Anyway, good copy. Here you're secure and here not respond you, so I mind that I come back to call you and say hello, Carl. Hi, or.
Okay, Sergey, you're fine signal. I just came on frequency maybe 1 minute ago and just started calling. Band is not open, but maybe in 10 minutes or so the band will open. Yesterday, very loud signals, 10 meters, maybe today, I don't know. Things are fine, we're on holiday, 32 degrees and sunshine, a little bit of rain during the night, and 27 in the night, but 32 at the moment, and a little bit of wind, so everything is fine. And today, I think, maybe tomorrow I will build new antennas for other bands. So far, the only is on 10 meters, HISJ. Good signal here, United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo, Delta United 6, Stroke Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November.
Okay, QSL Carl, Delta United 6, Flash Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November, your CCTV, 100% copy. Very hot weather on Philippines. Here we had in the night snow, many snow, and today the really amazing picture about the window in the street. So if I found your email kunzet.com, I send you a picture about our beautiful winter this morning. Okay, a nice signal also, Carl, so S9 you're readable, nice copy. Delta United 6 Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November, your 3CTB, over.
Okay, QSL Sergey, I just watched, let me just see. It is snowing. I just watched my webcam in Austria, and it is snowing at the moment, and more than 1 meter of snow on the ground. I just watched my webcam in front of the house, and it is morning and snowing, very big snow in Austria. So they have 1 meter of snow on the ground. And I have 32 degrees over here. But in 2 weeks I see the snow also. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's gone, but we'll see if the snow will be still there. So that's the story. It's snowing in Bregenz, and I don't see temperature, but I guess -2 degrees or so. So, but big snow on the ground, more than 1 meter. United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo, this is Delta United 6, Stroke Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November.
Okay, yes, Roger, call Delta United 6, Flash Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November, your CCTV, yes, you are watching a web camera in Austria, and saw about 1 meter snow and -2 degrees in Austria. Oh, here also, maybe also -2, -1, I don't know, so also is many snow, not 1 meter, but it is a lot, high. Okay, very nice, Carl, that you have connection on your home. So yes, you are 2 weeks without snow, high, 2 weeks without snow, and 32 degrees is much better than weather condition in the European winter. Okay, so very pleasure talk with you. Thanks for the short skip on 20 meter. Very glad that I found you before that propagation open to Europe, so we had some window to little talk. Okay, best wishes, thanks to you, hope to meet you again. You're a few days very active. I heard you yesterday, you are working with many Europeans, so you had a very big file yesterday. So I don't call you yesterday, that I mind that I don't waste your time. Because many stations want to work with you, with your IOTA number, Carl. Okay, 73, choose Danke for QSO, Delta United 6, Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November, your 3CTB, over.
Okay, very good, Sergey. And yeah, as long as I'm not in the TX cluster, nobody's calling, but when I'm in the cluster, it's working. But I just can work the big power stations there, but there are many in Europe. I need better antennas for the dipole paper and verticals, and it was difficult to work them. Sometimes it's working. Yesterday on 10 it was okay, but today you only see how the conditions are. I just worked a couple of Russians, but takes a while till the rest opens there. Sergey 73, thanks for this contact. We'll catch you many more times in the next 12 days there. And good signal as usual. United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo, Delta United 6, stroke Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November. Bye-bye.
Okay, Roger, Carl. Yes, your new antenna, you're much better than dipole or any kind ground play antenna, so direct antenna much better working. Okay, I might tell you that yesterday I copy you so much better than today. Today you are a very good signal, but yesterday you're coming as 3, as 5, today as 7, at 9, so as 9. 7 at 9 today, so much better than I copied you yesterday. Okay, 73, danke, alles Gute, Karel. Very pleasure to talk with you. You're working nice job, nice activity from your vacation. 73, enjoy your vacation and hope to meet you tomorrow, maybe, I think. Delta United 6, Oscar Echo 9, Mike Oscar November, CCTV, bye-bye, 73, Karel, over. Okay, bye-bye, Carl. Thanks for the very nice chat, nice QSO, and so record on the YouTube. Hi, bye-bye.